Good afternoon. Normally, you would be seeing a new tutorial for Irene Works. I'm running a little bit behind for the simple fact that I was playing around with voice changing features of my microphone and editing board, audio board, and did the whole tutorial using a child's voice. I don't think you want to listen to it. So I'm running a little bit late. There will be a new video today, but at this point, it probably won't premiere until 6 p.m. Just so you know. Thank you so much for your patience, and please come back and join me at 6.